1, 2 and 17 like this. Bhumirapo analo vayu khang mano buddhirevacha ahankara इति यंग में भिन्ना प्रकृतिरस्ति तथा अर्थात मीन्स अर्थ वाटर फायर एयर आइदर माइंड इंटेलिजेंस एंड false ego. Altogether these eight constitute my separated material energies. For material creation, Lord Krishna plenary expansion assumed three Vishnu. The first of Mahavishnu created to the total material energy known as the Mahatattva. The second, Gaurav Dakshastri Vishnu, entered into the universe to create diversities in each of them. The third, Krishdakshai Vishnu, is diffused as all pervading super soul in all the universe and known as Paramatma. He is present even within the atom. Anyone who knows their three Vishnu can be liberated from material entanglements. The material world is a temporary manifestation of the energetic and Lord. All the activities of the material world and directed by these three Vishnu expansion of God, Lord Krishna. The Purusha are called Purushas are called incorrections. Generally, one who does not know the signs of God Krishna assume that this material world is for the enjoyment of the living initiated and that living entities are the purpose. The Purushas, the causes, controlled and enjoyers of the material energy. According to Bhagavad Gita, this conclusion is false. Is the verse under discussion is the stated the Krishna is the original cause of the material manifestation. Srimad Bhagavad Gita also confirms this. The energetic of the material manifestation and separately energy of the Lord, even the Brahma Jyoti, which is ultimate goal of the impersonalized is a spiritual energy manifested at spiritual sky. There are no spiritual diversities in the Brahma Jyoti as there are in the Vaikuntha Loks, and the impressionalist accepts the Brahma Jyoti as the ultimate vital goal. The Paramatma manifestation is all temporary, all pervasive. They expect Sri Krishna, Vishnu, the permanent Sri Paramatma manifestation is not internal the spiritual world. Therefore, the factual, absolute truth is the Supreme Personality of God, Head Sri Krishna. He is the complete energetic person. He processes different, separate and internal energy. In the material energy, the principle of manifestations are 8 as above maintained. Out of these, the first 5 manifestations, namely earth, water, fire, air and sky, are called 5 genetic creation of the gross creation, within which the 5 sense objects are included. They are the manifestation of physical sounds, touch, form, taste and smell. Material science comprised these 10 items is nothing more but either 3 items, namely mind, intelligence and false ego, are neglected by the materialist philosopher who deal with mental activities, are also not perfect in knowledge because they do not know the ultimate source, Sri Krishna, false ego. I am and it is mine, which constitute the basic principle of material existence, including then 10 sense organs for material activities. Intelligence refers to the total material creation called the Mahatattva. Therefore, from the 8 separate energetic Lord are manifest 24 elements of the material world, which the subject matter of Sankhya, aesthetics, philosophy, they are originally absorbed from Sri Krishna energy, are separated from him. But ethics, Sankhya, philosopher with a poor fount of knowledge do not know Krishna as the cause of causes. The subject matter for discussion in the Sankhya philosophy is only the manifestation of the external energy of Krishna as it is described in the Bhagavad Gita. Apareyamita swasya tanvanyang prakirting vriddhi me param जीव भूतांग महाभाव जयते ययेदं धार्यते जगत अर्थात means you can speak, you can think. Beside these almighty armed Arjun, there is another superior energy of mind which comprised the living initiated who are exploiting the resource of this material for nature. Here is clearly mentioned that living initiated belong of the superior nature, the supreme Lord. The inferring energy is matter manifestation, direct different elements, namely earth, water, fire, air and mind, intelligence and false ego, both from materials nature, namely gross earth, subtle mind, are products of inferior energy. The living initiated who are exploiting these inferior energy for different purpose are the superior energy of the Supreme Lord, and it is due to this energy that the entire material world functions. The cosmic manifestation has no power to act unless it is moved by the superior energy. The living entity energetic are always controlled by the energy, and therefore living entities are always controlled by Lord Sri Krishna. They have no independent existence. They are never equally powerful. As unity intelligence man thinks, unintelligence man thinks, the distinction between the living either and Lord describes Srimad Bhagavad Gita 10.87.30 as follows. O Supreme Internal, if living activities were internal and prevenient, you can do always, they would not be under your control. But it is living entities are accepted as minute energetic or your lordship. They are at once subject to your supreme control. Therefore, real liberation, initial surrender by the living entity to your control, and that surrender will make them happy. That means, friends, it is true. There are 5: earth, air, water, sky. There are 5 in all around the world creation. That means how to control your mind, how to control your stress, mental depression. Please attention, concentrate in your mind, have patience, have confidence, have a good character, and clearly activities, real activities for the Supreme Soul, and follow super consciousness by Sri Krishna. To follow Bhagavad Gita says to everybody, when you will be do as per instruction by Lord Sri Krishna, I, we, you, they, nothing, as per instruction by the Lord Sri Krishna, Paramatma, in your heart, soul, you will be destroyed after out of soul. That means death. Absolutely truth, death. Death, so far as the death is concerned, free from body. Your soul has been gone to super soul, Sri Lord Sri Krishna. Otherwise, your soul will be referred to so many persons, so many birds, beasts, anything, fish, anything. Then I would like to say, you will do clearly you will be chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And super attention, due to attention is selective mental process. Attention here and there, nothing. Please concentrate in your attention, in your lifeline. No, please delete all dirty relationship, delete all dirty thinking, delete all dirty food, delete all dirty friends, delete all dirty atmosphere. Then you will be get a peaceful mind, and then you will be try to pray, try to attention, try to go Supreme Soul Sri Krishna consciousness in your mind, in your conscious, and dirty conscious has been lost. It's stress from free. Stress, totally stress has been gone in your mind. So far as the life is concerned, life means birth and death. Life starts from birth. Life ends from death. Life no birth, soul no birth, no death. But body, birth and death. And so far as the body and soul is concerned, those are equal relation each another. Where body, where soul. Where soul, there body. No soul, no body. No body, no soul. No soul, no body. It's true. Friends, it's true. Always remember, you will be die in future. So, please come to a pure reality, supreme power, supreme soul, Sri Krishna consciousness, known all of activities, relation, all work do as per instruction by Bhagavad Gita, and follow Satogun. Purify in your soul. Dirty, false ego, material world, everything, this